we have our magnificent chimney, mga kaibigan, powered by pure adrenaline, a splash of battery magic, at mga questionableng pagkakabuo ko. Panoorin pong maigi at maraming nainom na kape yung driver natin today. At ayan, tinahak niya na ang kagubatan. Makakaya niya kaya ang akit nito? Ayun, nakakaya, may basura pa. Ano ba naman yun? Ayan, ito na naman tayo sa batuhan na kung saan malaki yung chance ang matumba lang yung ating okay. Okay pa siya. Dahan-dahan lang tayo dito at baka matanggalan na naman tayo ng gulong. This rocky outcrop tests its durability and precision driving. Look at it go over the bumps, conquering the obstacles with determination. It's not just a toy, it's a testament to creativity and engineering. Naubos English ko. Ayan, hanggang dito na lang. Okay na to.